Hello there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. If your hairbrush has been looking like a crime scene lately, you're not alone. I've been there watching my hair fall out in clumps. Used to leave me feeling frustrated and very helpless until I discovered a simple herbal remedy that completely changed my life. And I'm here to share with this recipe with you today. Today, I'm sharing my DIY Rocket Scalp Oil, a natural treatment that has helped me reduce hair fall, boost growth, and bring back life into my scalp right from your own kitchen garden. Trust me, once you try this, you wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's talk about the secret power of rocket leaves, a regulum. So, let's start with the star of today's show, rocket leaves, also known as arugula in some countries. You probably know them as salad greens, but in the Middle East and Southeast Asia, they're a well-kept secret for scalp and hair revival. I started growing rocket in my garden a couple of years ago because I loved it in salads, and then a neighbor casually mentioned how her grandmother used to infuse rocket into oil to treat thinning hair. She probably noticed my hair was thin, and that's why she just gave that wonderful tip. And that one little tip sent me down a rabbit hole of research, and now it's become a staple in my herbal routine. Here's what makes it magic. Starting with 3 ingredients. Ingredient number 1 is vitamin E, which improves blood flow to the scalp and protects hair follicles from oxidative stress. Next, we have vitamin C and vitamin B complex, which work to stimulate collagen and keratin production. And lastly, the combination of zinc and calcium work together to strengthen hair strands and promote a healthy scalp barrier. And did you know that arugula contains compounds that boost circulation to your scalp? That's exactly what your hair needs to thrive. More oxygen, more nutrients, and more stimulation. Now let's talk about the recipe, the DIY hair growth oil, and as well as my go-to blend. Now, I've been using it for over a year now, and you only need a handful of ingredients, but the results are really powerful, I promise you. Starting with 1 cup of fresh rocket leaves, half a cup of olive oil. It's rich in oleic acid, which is great for dry scalp. You also need half a cup of castor oil, which is loaded with renoxolic acid to thicken hair. I used 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, which is known to stimulate follicles and fight inflammation, as well as 1 clove of garlic. It's naturally antibacterial and it boosts the growth as well. Now, as an option, I added a splash of rosewater for fragrance and soothing effects as well. And then what I do is I blend everything in a high-speed blender until it becomes a smooth greenish liquid. If you don't have a strong blender, you can always use a mesh cloth or a strainer afterwards, especially to avoid bits of ginger and garlic. A pro tip, you can go ahead and store the mix in a squeeze bottle for easy application and keep it refreshed. You can use it within 2 weeks or maximum potency, and I usually make mine fresh every other weekend. Now, if you want a lighter scent, try adding a few drops of rosemary essential oil because this helps mask the garlicky smell as well and adds extra growth power. Now, how do you apply it for maximum growth? Let me walk you through my weekly scalp ritual. It's my favorite self-care moment. So it involves a couple of steps. 4 steps to be exact. Now, step 1 is to apply the oil directly onto your scalp, parting your hair sections by section. Step 2 is to massage using your fingertips in a slow circular motion, and I do it for a full 3 minutes. You'll also feel the tension melting away. It's extremely therapeutic, I promise. Step 3 is to cover your hair with a plastic wrap or a shower cap. And lastly, step 4, wrap a warm towel over it. The heat opens the scalp's pores and helps your skin absorb every nutrient. And I usually leave it on for about an hour, sometimes even overnight if I'm doing a deep treatment. After just a few sessions, I started noticing less hair fall in the shower, and those baby hairs around the temples started to make a comeback. And this ritual isn't just about hair, it's a way to connect with yourself. It's become my Sunday night self-love routine. So here's something I wish more people talked about. Topical treatments can only do so much if your internal nutrition is off. After giving birth, I noticed extreme hair shedding. I was trying everything, oils, shampoos, serums, but nothing worked until I looked at my blood test results. Turns out I had low iron and vitamin D. My zinc levels were borderline too, so I cleaned up my diet. I started adding leafy greens and lentils for iron, sunshine and supplements for vitamin D, pumpkin seeds and chickpeas for zinc, and yes, collagen and gelatin from bone broth and gummies for hair, skin, and nails. And within about 2 months, not only did my hair improve, but I felt more energized and confident overall. If you've been struggling with hair loss, but please make sure you get your iron and vitamin D levels checked. It's a total game changer, I promise you. So if you've made it this far, you're already invested in your natural beauty, and I love that for you. One thing that really helped me was a targeted hair supplement that included nutrients like biotin, zinc, vitamin D, and iron, the key nutrients for reversing hair loss due to deficiency. I'll be filming a full breakdown of the best hair growth supplements I've tried so far, what worked, what didn't, and how to choose the one that fits your body type and lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on that one. Now, if you try this DIY rocket oil, tag me on Instagram or let me know in the comments how it has worked for you. I truly believe in growing a community where we all share real natural healing, no filters, no fluff. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-based remedies, holistic wellness, and self-care rituals rooted in tradition and backed by love. Until next time, take care.